Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madalyn. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe. I make weekly fashion and lifestyle videos. So today's video is Pack With Me. I'm going on a trip actually tomorrow to Chattanooga, Tennessee for the 4th of July. This is Wednesday when I'm filming it, and this will probably go up next week. So if I'm talking in a like tomorrow tense, that's why, because we are packing for tomorrow. So I thought I would show you guys my packing process and why I choose the outfits that I do, what considerations I have to think about, all of these different things, and maybe it can help you guys pack for an upcoming trip. And I'll also show you what I'm packing with and organization tips, all of the good things. So let's go ahead and get started. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you're going anywhere soon, and tell me what you're going to be bringing with you. Also, I will just say I'm bringing masks, okay? Yes, I'm going to be around family for the 4th of July. I know a lot of people probably are going to be in groups, but I am definitely going to practice social distancing and wear a mask. We are not getting the corona. So I definitely want to go ahead and start with this because I actually got this today and it's super cute. This is by the brand Do and Be, and it's this super cute halter dress. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to insert a photo of me wearing it, but it's so cute and ruffly. It's very girly for me, but I'm into it. It's super, super cute. I think honestly, I'm just gonna take this for an outfit picture and then change into something else. Next, if you watched my 4th of July outfit videos, I decided that I'm going to be wearing this romper. This is actually by the same brand as that polka dot dress, Do and Be, but it's just this cute ruffle wrap romper. I love this so much, and I'm going to be wearing white boots with it and red earrings. I also may take this dress. This is by Love Shack Fancy. It was the collab with Target that they did. So cute. I don't know why, but every time I go to Chattanooga, I like love to have a fashion moment, even though where we go isn't very concerned about fashion. But I don't know, I like to bring my new fun things with me. So I'm not gonna pull any more dresses or rompers because that's already a little bit much. Where we're going is very casual. Like I said, I'm gonna be around family, so I don't have to like dress up for that. But I have little cousins, so I know I'll be active at some point probably. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it pretty casual. I think I'm gonna pull this too. This is by Johnny Coda Studio. He is the guy that won Making the Cut, which is a fashion competition TV show on Amazon Prime. This was from his winning collection. I really love this. It's kind of oversized and very comfortable, and I like to tuck it in just denim shorts. So I'll pull these two. I'm also gonna take 2 t-shirts. These both just happen to be band tees. This is a cute Rolling Stones one. Harry Styles has the same one. I got this from Hot Topic. And then this is a Kiss tour t-shirt. I like to take t-shirts just because, like, if one of the more fashionable things I bring I don't want to wear, that way I have something comfortable to change into. So like both of these will go with that lighter pair of denim shorts. And then I think too, I'm just gonna go ahead and take these, which are black denim, and then go with both. I guess more than anything, I want to stress when you're packing for a multi-day trip, try to pack the least amount as possible so you can mix and match the different pieces and come up with different outfits, but keeping the load lighter. That's why I'm pulling basic bottoms and basic tops pretty much, and I have just 1 or 2 fashion moments like this, if that makes sense. I also decided just to bring a pair of mom jeans. Again, kind of the same deal with the shorts. These are just like really comfortable, very casual. I know I'm gonna take a pair of sneakers so I can just throw those on with these. These are by Just Black Denim. They're basic light wash jeans. I also just checked the weather for tomorrow and I need to figure out kind of like a travel outfit, if that makes sense, because I hate feeling constricted, especially in the car. So we need to pick that out next. So I decided for the car ride tomorrow, I'm going to wear this t-shirt dress by Cheap Monday. This is so comfortable and like shapeless and stretchy that it's gonna be so much better than like wearing pants basically. But I have cute black platforms that I think will look good with this. On the way to Chattanooga too, my mom and I are stopping in Atlanta to go to Zara, to be quite honest. That's the closest Zara there is to where I live, so I always try to hit it up when we go to Chattanooga. So this will be a cute like out and about outfit as well. So for the most part, I think I am done. That was the quickest I've ever packed. Maybe I should like film every time I pack now because that was insanely fast. So now I need to get together shoes, accessories, and I will see you guys in 1 second to start packing. Okay, so you guys are officially packing with me. Just to go ahead and start, I like to stay as organized as possible. I like to stay organized anyway, whether I'm traveling or not, and a good way that helps me do that is to use packing cubes. So I got a pack of packing cubes on Amazon that aren't as expensive as usual, but it's a good way to keep everything together, packed tightly and not spilling out everywhere. So I have 1 or 2 for clothes. I have 1 for underwear right here and like socks. And then I also have 1 for toiletries. I'm not going to be showing you how I pack my toiletries just because I think that's a little bit excessive, but I'm going to be taking a smaller suitcase like for my clothes. But then I'm using this large tote that I got at IKEA. I mentioned how much I love my IKEA totes, and this is one of them. So I can put 1 or 2 cubes down in here. Appliances, is that what you call them? Like hair dryer, straightener, those will go in there. And then probably just any last minute things that I forget about on the way out tomorrow morning. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm gonna go ahead and start with comfier things. Also the stuff that I think I'll probably reach for less. I also know it's a little bit excessive, but what I'm wearing later in the week, I put on the bottom first, but I'll start with cozy stuff. So I'm going to bring 1 sweatshirt. This one's by Johnny Coda. I mentioned him earlier. That's his printed button down over there. I absolutely love the fit of this, and I love the simplicity of the logo. I don't know if it will get cold at any point, but I'm very cold natured, so that's why I'm bringing this. Next, I'll go ahead and pack those t-shirts followed by pajamas. So we'll see how the rest of packing my clothes go, but I'll just start packing my normal clothes. I'll put probably the dresses and the romper down first, and then more of my everyday clothes on top. So my cubes are all packed, and I love how just organized and perfectly stacked they are. Now we need to put everything into my suitcase. So this is just my little suitcase. It's by the It brand, I believe. This is from TJ Maxx. don't really remember. But I like to start with shoes just because I feel like those are the most painful to deal with. So there is a shallower side in this suitcase and then a deeper side. So I'm probably gonna put the packing cubes in the darker part. So sorry, y'all. The deeper part. So I'm going to first put in my white boots. Then I don't have to pack these because I'm wearing them tomorrow, so that will save me a little bit of space. Then I have these cute little yellow sandals. Those will just be really easy to slide on and they'll look cute with the graphic tees. And then finally, I'm packing my Adidas Sambas with the platform. These will be easy just to throw on. And then I have like the tiniest space right here. So I'm going to try and put my little jewelry bag in. That'll honestly work. And then I have a belt. This is a good everyday belt just by Zara. Fit that in here. Okay, and that side is done. So next we'll move on to clothes. We'll do this one first. It's gonna be a little tight. Honestly, after moving to New York with all of my things in suitcases, I know I can do anything. I know I can squeeze anything and everything into a suitcase now, so I'm not too concerned about it. So I still have a little bit of room if I have something I forget about, just to go ahead and slide in here. So we are done packing, knocked two birds out with one stone, a video, and I was efficient and productive. So I'm getting ready to repack my purse just because I feel like what is in your normal day-to-day bag isn't the same as what you may take on a trip. So the purse I've been using is from Zara. It's this really cute black leather bag with a chain in the front, and then it has these chain handles. And what's really cool is you can wear it short like this or do it long. So I have loved using this bag, but I didn't want to carry a black bag anymore, especially throughout the summer. So I got this new one from Zara. It's kind of like a cream crocodile print, and it's a little bit bigger than that black one. So I think this is super cute, and I thought I would do a little what's in my bag as I unpack and repack. So just starting off, this is my little wallet. It's a faux Louis Vuitton key wallet, key ring wallet. There's a proper name for it. I got this off of Amazon for like $15. It holds everything and I love it. It looks pretty authentic. It just doesn't have the branding on it and there's no signs of wear on it. So this has been really good. The next thing I have is a pair of Key Australia sunglasses. These are the high key minis, but it has like a rose gold frame and a greenish lens. So I love these, but I'm actually not taking these. I got a brand new pair of keys today. I love these so much. You'll probably see my ring light in the lens, but they're kind of brown and very neutral. This is the after hour style. I just think they're really cool, and I don't really have any glasses that look like this, so I'm super excited to take these. Next to my bag is just my keys. This, my key sunglasses, my keys. This keychain is from the camp exhibit that the Met Gala had last year. This is the Marc Jacobs one. So cute. Gotta have those. I also have 2 hand sanitizers, Tums. I have 2 cough drops and a mint, checkbook, Motrin, hand cream, 4 lip products, gum, and of course I have like my feminine products in here, which you don't need to see. So in addition, what I'm taking to put in my travel purse is my planner just so I know what I have coming up for the week on like my blog and my YouTube. Also during the quarantine period, more so at the beginning, I was really into coloring, and so I thought if I got bored enough I could continue what I was doing. So this is a stroll in London, and it's like this 10-page connected thing that like stretches all the way out, and it just has all of the cool like London landmarks on it. Have that. Have twistable colored pencils and regular colored pencils. And then I'm also taking a book, also if I get really bored, but this is Runway Uncovered, the making of a fashion show. So haven't read this yet, pretty stoked. And that's about it for unpacking and repacking. So that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for packing with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.